that joint like, nigga, it's cold as shit. It's cold as shit outside.
Why is it so cold outside?
Bro, I let her borrow my spider jump, my spider hoodie. But I'm like, oh, it's cold as shit outside.
It's so cold for no reason.
And I just found it. I was like, bro.
For
I'm
no reason.
And the first day that I wore it is the day that you asked to wear it. And I was like, bro.
I'll give it tomorrow morning. I gotta run inside.
Hi guys, so we are back with another episode on LVL, Let Viv Live, the channel for unapologetically living your life. In this channel you'll see lifestyle content as well as a bit of a corporate girly aesthetic, as well as fashion, fitness, you name it, and I'm just so thankful for you guys to be here. My nails are so cute. So me and my boyfriend actually went to a bunch of spots. I'll make sure to link them all in the description below. So I'm a foodie and he is definitely a foodie. You guys, not only in this vlog will you see some of the spots that are my favorite in the DMV area, but also you'll see some of the dishes I actually created for him while he was in town. So you'll see me get in my little chef, you know, mode. Toxicity. Oh wow, look at that beauty. Okay, so as you guys saw in the beginning of the vlog, I do like to take my parents out. So I took my dad to get seafood. That was his preference for our little, you know, date night out. My mom, she wanted to do more of like a self-care, so I wanted to go with her to the salon and took her to go get her hair dyed and cut. She wanted just like a little fresh start, so we had a really good time at Hair Cuttery. And then we also had drinks. It's very important to cherish your parents. I believe firmly in, if you know, without my parents I would not be in the position I am in today, and I would not be even in this world. So I'm back in the kitchen. As you guys know, I do not eat chicken, but that does not mean I'm not gonna make it for my man if he wants chicken. So I made him some chicken and rice and Caesar salad. And then another meal I made for him was biscuits, salmon, rice, and Caesar salad.
And when she does, we'll catch her in the act.
Thanksgiving, you already know what's up. First of all, shout out to Harris Teeter. They were the only store that was open on Thanksgiving Day. The Saturday after Thanksgiving, me and my boyfriend decided to have a self-care day. He took me to go get my haircut and my nails done. As y'all saw, I chopped off so much of my hair. We like to drink before we hit the town because in DC the drinks are so expensive.
Rain. Can't stop the rain when it starts to pour.
So we randomly decided to just go to Nobu in DC because my boyfriend has had the Nobu in Miami around where he lives at, and he just didn't like it, so I wanted him to try the one in DC, and he said he liked it so much more.
I gotta call him back.
Oh wow. Thank you.
I mean, what the fuck? Can I live? Can I live?
That's the
Can I
movement.
fucking live?